What's going on, guys? I am back, and I wanted to quickly apologize right off the bat for not being as active as I was. It's been about 20 days since I posted something, and I've just been going through some stuff. But I am back, and today is going to be a super cool video. We are going to go and test ride my buddy's new dirt bike, and it should be fun. I haven't ridden a motorcycle in a while. I might, fall, but it should make for a better video. So I hope you guys stay tuned and enjoy this video, and smash that like button if you guys can, subscribe if you haven't, and let's get to it. guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. I know it was a short video, but we were having too much fun and I just kept forgetting to record, and I was just trying to enjoy a nice Saturday, you know. And I mean, at the end of the day, I had just realized that basically I had not got any videos up in about 22 days, more or less 20 days. So I wanted to bring a new video to you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, once again, you know, go ahead and smash that like button. If you're new, just subscribe to the channel. That would help me out a lot. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys have an amazing day.